This is exactly why you should full port your funded account. I've had this account with Trade the Pool for around about a month now, and you can see it's pretty much at break even. I'm down like $2,500, literally %. I usually full port all of my funded accounts. I risk the max risk and try and pass it in 1 or 2 trades, but because Trade the Pool has a consistency rule, I wasn't able to do it. And this is a prime example of the 80-20 principle taking place in trading, where literally 80% of the trades I've taken here have equated to virtually nothing, 20% of the results being minus 2K. Now, I wouldn't say it was a month of wasted trading because I'm new to trading stocks. It's the first prop firm I've ever come across that purely does stock trading, but it definitely hasn't been a super productive month. I did manage to close out $3,500 on my last trade on Palantir, which brought me back closer towards the break even. All in all, I'm pretty much in the same position I was when I first bought this account last month. And that's why I always recommend, if you buy a new funded account and you can afford to do it, you have the capital there, risk heavy and just go ahead and get your result quicker instead of spending a month pretty much doing nothing. Now, I am going to continue to trade this account because I do want to pass it, and having a purely funded account dedicated to stocks would be nice. But I definitely need to rework my system and try trading a little bit more aggressively, still meeting the consistency rule, but trying to go ahead and get that done quick. I do have a second account, which is actually up $6,000, but again, I still need to continue to trade that because of the consistency rule. But yeah, officially 30 days into trading stocks.